Hello friends and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how to log in on 1688 account. When you open this official website, guys, click login now, this option, and then you should translate this one to better understand. Click this one, your phone number and your information. If you want to write your password and username, write here your username and password. If you want to sign up your account, click this one, this keyword. From here, click sign up now, and then guys, click sign up now and write this all personal account information. As you can see here, you should be write your own information here and complete this captcha here and write your name, for example this name, and write your good password, guys, for example, and from here write your address, and then guys, write your phone number here, your phone number, for example this is my phone number, and click register. This is how you can do, guys, to sign up. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.